Terrace fans. It's a boring Monday today. Not much going on. But Velberg and I just went on a quick run. Webster did some ladder drills.
Yeah, exactly 3 ladder drills. Well, over and over. I did more.
Over and over. Well, we're gonna get thrown now.
Hey, a quick question for these Terrace fans out here. Do you think these people over here are practicing social distancing? I'm not good.
Let us know what you think in the comments.
Oh, damn it. Ha.
Oh.
Alright, so we got this box. We're not really sure what's in it. You know, it doesn't really say anything on here. It's really unclear what's in this box. We do a quick unboxing.
Webster, what do you think?
I have absolutely no idea. I think it's from one of our subscribers.
So it turns out that we already have quite a lot of bath tissue because Webster accidentally bought like 40 rolls a couple months ago. And now we have even more bath tissue. Apparently this costs 4.9 million trees, but I don't think that's actually what they're advertising. This is 12 rolls. And the 12 rolls is a single ply.
That's 24. That's 24.
No, I'm stupid. Yeah, it's double. It's 2 ply. High quality stuff. Only the highest quality out here. So, yeah, Terrace got a huge stockpile of bath tissue. We'll be selling it on the resale market pretty high.
Yeah, if everyone who needs a hookup, we were the plug. We got it.
Huge. Bath.
Tell me when to go.
Alright, you go.
Or we're going?
Yeah.
All right. Look at so I got a request from one of my friends to make a frisbee out of ground beef. So we got a really thick burger here, and I'm gonna try to throw it on the hot oil. I'm feeling like this is kind of like a jackass stunt right now. So it's like, hey guys, I'm Johnny Knoxville, and this is the ground beef burn yourself with hot oil prank. Here we go. Oh, it's falling apart already. Oh my god, this is not gonna work. And also I'm gonna get. Oh, here we go. Oh! Made it right. Alright, let me see if I can do this one. Oh! Missed. Alright. Well,
You're gonna want to get burned out of there before it turns on fire.
Oh, smart. Get it out of there.
On fire. Oh, not with the plastic. Oh.
Smart plastic.
Oh.
Don't worry, we'll get it out of there. It's not on fire. Alright, so that was a successful run. Yeah.
Good.
Alright, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell.